Hi everyone, my name is Caleb Lowe. I'm a sophomore. I'm an Arabic and Spanish major here at Kenyon, and I'm super excited to take you through a weekend as a college student in Gambier, Ohio. I'm in Ascension Hall right now, one of my favorite buildings on campus, and I'm gonna take you through my weekend. I'm here on Middle Path with Sadie and Maddie.
EDM's gonna have a dog parade for dogs in Knox County. Woo! Raising money and showing the community dogs.
Cool. All right, we're looking forward to it. I'm currently at the Hone track at the Lowry Center, and we are preparing for our big meet this weekend. It's our senior day, so we're recognizing our 16 seniors. Adam, how are you feeling about your race for tomorrow?
Not a senior, but I'm feeling excited, ready to rip.
Sweet, let's go. So we just finished up with practice, and now we're heading to Ross Hall for a senior viola recital. Senior Ethan is playing the viola. I had the chance to play the cello with him a little bit in the Knox County Symphony and in a couple other groups on campus. So we just finished up eating at Pierce, our dining hall, and now we're going to the bookstore to get some markers and glitter and crayons and everything to make our posters for senior day tomorrow. This is my housemate Graham and my roommate Charlie. We live in the Acklands, and we just finished up with our poster, and we're super excited for our big track meet tomorrow. Good morning, Noah.
Good morning.
Good morning. Let's go, boys! Yeah. Let's go, let's go! Just finished running the 5K. It was really challenging. It's a tough race, but we had a good time, and excited for the rest of the night. We are just finished up with the meet, grabbed some dinner at Pierce, some chicken tenders. We're headed to Mount Vernon, a town about 10 minutes away, to go bowling.
Who do you think you are? I am.
We just finished up bowling and we're back on campus. We're gonna go watch some basketball and maybe get some food at one of our food trucks on Middle Path. So we are at Trucking Trav right now, getting some late night bites, playing Mario Kart here, and yeah, we're having fun. And it's about 9 p.m. now. We stopped for a late night snack at Witt's Frozen Custard. Thank you guys for joining me on my weekend. It's been lots of fun.